Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 199.
Just one shot of 200, a double century. This is Abhinandan Sekhri.
This is Rajyasree Sen, who you interrupted when I was giving my intro.
But such is life, full of interruptions. We are here with the second of our video series of Awful and Awesome. We will be doing a bit on video, but for the full podcast, uninterrupted, unedited, you're going to have to come onto our podcast player. You can go on to through other podcast players also, like Stitcher or what are the other podcast platforms that are right now?
Spotify.
Apple Podcasts. But it'd be great if you come through newslaundry.com because we have a fantastic podcast player. But today we are going to be celebrating shittiness and mediocrity because Rajyasree Sen selected everything. So to add some excellence and some upbeatness to
Upbeatness to our English vocabulary.
to our English new words, I am going to introduce two Punjabi songs because everything Raj and she selected the whole menu this week.
One second. That's usually the case every week.
No,
Why are
sometimes
you
I
making
also
it sound,
select.
sometimes once every 50 episodes doesn't count.
Why are you shouting? I'm like 2 feet away from you.
I'm not shouting.
5.
I have a dramatic voice.
I
like
see.
that.
And every now and then an aircraft will pass over us, so please pardon that audio. But Rajyasree Sen, do tell us what all we are going to be reviewing today, with apologies for not appearing last week because of unforeseen circumstances and too much of work and crisis situations, etc.
Like that. Quickly, you've given your disclaimer also. His unforeseen circumstances was that he was basically out every day. That's why. But I was waiting in the studio and then I was told you can't record. Then
काम
I
की
went
बात
back.
करो, एक ad है and it's just
Ek
like
ad, no, wait. There's a theme. First of all, the theme is of
Shittiness.
women. No, is of women who hoodwink people, who are smart enough to hoodwink people,
That's the
and
theme.
make a either quick buck
Or fame, or become famous.
or die. That's also there. That's just a
That
googly.
one film.
Huh,
Yes,
that's
okay.
one, this thing. Then we have, keeping in with the coronavirus theme of our lives right now, we have an NHS vaccine ad. And I have a very good music video, recommendation.
Okay, is it Bengali?
No, it's Maharashtrian. Keeping again with the coronavirus theme, Maharashtra, the hotbed of coronavirus right now. We have a video by the vice president of Axis Bank, as I've discovered. And she has other claims to fame also, but that is her main claim to fame, I think.
So, before we get into that, we will start with the music video. But let me first kick off with an email because we weren't here last week. We have a few collected. This is from Rahul, a subscriber. And you can write into us at contact@newslaundry.com. I repeat, contact@newslaundry.com. And we shall read out your mail, but you have to be a subscriber. Rahul says, Dear Abhinandan and Rajyasree, hope our team at NL is doing well and everyone is safe. Have become a big fan of Nidhi Suresh since her reporting on farmers' protest. I wanted to recommend a movie written by Vijay Tendulkar and directed by Satyadev Dubey. It is a commentary on how society views forward women. The drama/movie was written in the 60s, but after 50 years, its situation is the same. It is in Marathi, but has subtitles. It was adapted from a novel called Dangerous Games. Below is the link. Also, I found this awesome video from 4 years ago. Well, the video is of me dancing. Where did it take off on that Vijay Shekhar's this thing, that...
That we do every day in the morning once you do.
So people can watch this.
And subscribe.
So thank you, Rahul, yes, for discovering that video. You guys are awesome, a fan and regular subscriber. Thanks, Rahul. Thank you for your support. Because of the support of people like you, we have been able to do some amazing reporting. So thank you, and I shall communicate to Nidhi that you are a big fan of her work. So Rajyasree Sen, why don't you start off with this music video that you have subjected me to, in addition to other shit that you subjected me to this week?
So it's a very good music video. It's classical and modern. And it's sung by my favorite singer, Amruta Fadnavis, who is Devendra Fadnavis, who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Former Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Former he is. Oh, sorry.
So
former Chief Minister's wife.
And this is what the music video is like.
ये नयन डरे डरे
I have to see the video.
Are karare ale. Ra. Peene do.
कल की किसको खबर एक रात होके निडर
So, Rajshri, I just want to know that why did you subject us to this? Like, did a viewer write? Did someone blackmail you?
friend.
Did you lose a bet?
No,
but
no.
one thing that this shot is, I think, a metaphor of her musical career. Where is that shot gone?
The boat which is on the beach.
The boat on land. This shot is a metaphor of Amrita Fadnavis's music career.
And I don't know why she's dressed like that and walking on a beach. I think that Juhu beach must have been empty then, so they shot it over.
I
Or
think
Mud Island.
Mud Island, this is done. But
Huh.
you know, such a long gown as it's dragging in the keychain, it is not. Has not.
It was not sensible, I felt. One. Two, this was released on Valentine's Day, which is very important.
Oh.
Because I think she wanted to test her relationship with Devendra Fadnavis totally by releasing this video. And I'm just impressed that she's clearly not a singer, but she is a lawyer and she is the vice president of Axis Bank.
So she's a banker and she's a lawyer.
Lawyer.
But she's also a singer. But see, this is the beauty about politics is that, I don't know whether you remember that Abhishek Manu Singhvi's wife used to come up with these albums.
She used to have albums.
Yeah, and on page 3 it used to get covered and everyone used to come and attend the release. When UPA was in power, Kapil Sibbal's
Yeah, those
lyrics
poems.
used to be composed by A.R. Rahman into music.
Yeah.
So the beauty of power is that such is life.
Buy audience, as they say. So,
But the original song, this is such a beautiful song, it's by Kaifi Azmi.
yeah, so think how Kaifi Azmi's family is feeling right now.
Yeah, it's from the film called Kohra.
Yeah, so who was in Kora? Jaya Bhaduri.
I haven't seen Kohra, but I've heard this song. I think Kohra had, if I'm not wrong, it had, I think, Wahida Rahman, I think.
Kora.
It
Not
is...
Asha Parekh.
No, Wahida Rahman.
Wahida Rahman. So
And
anyway,
Biswajit. Wahida Rahman and Biswajit.
Bishajit.
Bishajit.
Okay. But so she is as far removed from Wahida Rahman as you could possibly be removed from Wahida Rahman. But someone should tell Amrita Fadnavis, I think, that
Bus.
not to. Bus.
Bus. Ho
A
gaya.
bus.
A bus.
But this thing, what's the name? When she had released her first album, or was it her first song, single, Amitabh Bachchan had done the release and he was in the video also.
See the beauty of power.
Then he tweeted T3891 with the link.
So we'll quickly move on to something else. And this time it is going to be this film.
Which one?
Called Hustlers. So I will tell you a bit about this film that was recommended by Rajshri Sen. And like she always recommends it. But first of all, before this episode is up, I'm going to tell you what we will watch next time. We will decide right now. Because
Now we will decide.
I'm not going to be subjected to any more shit. There's a limit.
But there's a reason why I do this, na? So to motivate you to be involved.
So Hustlers is a film which is starring Jennifer Lopez among other people. It's directed by Lorena Scafaria. And the screenplay is by Lorena Scafaria and it's apparently based on a...
New York article.
Yeah, not the New Yorker or New York Times, but
No, the
New
New York.
which is a very... Not at all at the League of New Yorker in New York.
But no, it's a good paper. Don't say
Now,
that.
Hustlers is basically a story of two strippers who go on to con a lot of men out of their money by, taking them partying and, slipping a drug into their drink. And these guys are typically the overpaid variety who frequent strip clubs. And it also shows that how strip clubs, it was a thriving business before 2008, Lehman, pre-Lehman. Because there was just so much of money on Wall Street and these guys would come and blow $5, $10, $20,000 in one night.
Yeah, exactly.
So, it is a really shit film. Just because it's based on a report doesn't mean anything or on a true story.
It's a true story. These
Very good.
women were there.
So, it is, if you've seen a film called Showgirls, I think it's from the 90s, mid-90s, a film called Showgirls came. It was also about strippers, which tried to be very profound. It did very well at the box office, and I believe in this. And the last line of this is, well, the entire country, the United States of America, is a strip club. Some of us are dancing and some of us are throwing money. They try to make it profound. It's basically a film that basically tries to push a really mediocre screenplay, story, film with tits and ass. And I'm shocked that Rajshri thought I'd like it. And to quote, first of all, I'm 47, not 17. Okay? That just because it's a film about strippers, I will like it. And I have no idea how I sat through it. And bus. You are not recommending any more film. A bus. Amrita Fadnavis and me are saying bus. No more music, no more recommendation of
So
Rajshri.
the reason why I watched this film is because she was supposed, so I was shocked when I saw this film because there was all this talk about how Jennifer Lopez has not even been nominated for an Oscar for this film because she should have been nominated. She was so good in this film, and the reason, basically she was slighted by not being nominated. So
Who was this? Who was this?
Lots
Someone
of
like you
articles.
only.
No, lots of articles were written and all. So I thought maybe she has acted really well. So I watched the full film. It is not the greatest film, but if I had told you that, you would not have watched it.
You actually liked it, don't lie.
No, I
Because there's some feminist angle you'll
no.
find
So
in this.
I thought the pole dancing is fabulous. I'm very impressed by pole dancing because the amount of muscle power you agree that you need muscle strength.
Yeah, but I
to
watch other
turn-
sports to
No.
do that. I mean, I don't have to watch a stripper for that.
So, and I felt the
And
collection.
she has an amazing body, there's no
she
doubt. I mean,
has, for
her
her
body's
age,
outstanding.
on top of that, she's 50.
But you don't have to watch a full film, na? You can just watch a 2-minute clip of her then for that.
No, I felt story must be she's acted very well. Oscar. They said now there is no reason why she should have been nominated for an Oscar. She has not. She's acted normally, and the character does not require great acting skills either. But I also watched it because of the lineup of actors. There's Cardi B. There's Lizzo, the plump one. Is Lizzo, who's this very well-known singer. Cardi B is a singer. Julia Stiles is the journalist, plays the journalist. Then Lily Reinhardt plays Betty in Riverdale and is very well-known. And the other actress whose name I've forgotten. Why have I forgotten?
But clearly, it was made on just a 20 million budget and it made like 157 million. It's a film that, I mean, while it does kind of, it slips in lines like, feminist line that these guys they've stolen everything and there's some moralizing. It's basically selling a film on base instincts, like a Malika Sherawat film, which is pretending to be something profound or journalistic. It's on Apple TV, by the way. And if you have anything else to do in life, you can skip this film
It's
easily.
produced by Jennifer Lopez and Will Ferrell. I'm not impressed by anything.
I'm not.
I've
No,
said.
I'm not impressed.
So I thought it's an entertaining film, but it's like a B-grade Hollywood film.
Yes,
It's
it is a
not
big
an
hit, but
A,
it's okay. It's not entertaining either. Just saying, it's a tedious watch.
So I watched it also because I found Lionsgate, which is the new app, right? Which is on Apple TV.
Yeah, although 14-day trial is free, after that 99 rupees a month.
Oh, I took paid already.
Because maybe you don't. Anyway, it doesn't matter.
But it has a very good lineup of shows and films and all this Lionsgate. So all the films that come to the theaters get on Lionsgate as well. So that's not that that's a reason for liking Hustlers.
After that, I was also asked to watch a film called I Care a Lot, which I shall go on to review. But before that, we shall disconnect the video here to listen to the full Awful and Awesome episode. You got to get onto newsland.com and check out our podcast because this is an audio podcast. You can also listen to it through other podcast platforms, but I would prefer if you come to newsland.com and listen to it through our podcast player, which we have spent a lot of money on. So it would be nice if you guys can tell us what you think. And also if you have any feedback, you have any critique, recommendations, write into us at contact@newslaundry.com. I repeat, contact@newslaundry.com. But only subscribers' emails will be read out. And by subscribe, I don't mean you subscribe to a YouTube channel, which also you must do. Click like, subscribe, whatever. But go to newslaundry.com, click on subscribe and pay to keep news free because our journalism is not powered by ads. It's powered by people like you, those of you who do pay. Okay, so Rajshri Sen, I am recommending 2 Punjabi songs to uplift this very mediocre
God.
episode. This song is by Daljit Dosanjh. I think it is from his Goat album. And
Like Bakra album. Oh, it's called Goat only.
Haha.
No, it's an English name.
Yes.
Asol.
Greatest of all time कहते हैं.
Asol naam taki.
हाँ आसोल नाम टकी. So it's called गबरू ता वैरी नूवी मिठा बोलदा तू ता फिर जट दा प्यार गोरी है. Check this out. This is how it goes.
Very bad.
See, the beauty is he's saying
That it's just noise.
Gabru ta very nuvi mittha bolda. That Gabru even talks to enemies in a polite way.
Like
Tu ta
you.
fir jatt da pyar goriye.
Like
That is the
you. You're a Gabru. You're Korak.
Korak.
You are
According
Korak.
to Rajshri Sen, I'm just telling you. She says you're like Korak. Apparently Korak was Tarzan's sidekick.
Son. His son.
Oh, so my dad is Tarzan.
Tarzan. Tell uncle.
I'll tell him.
He'll be even fonder of me.
And I love this line in this song, which is Tera rakha main rab rakha yaar da nam jida lona uthe sar goriye. Here's how it goes. It's a beautiful
I'm so
line.
confused by this.
It's a beautiful line.
I know Punjabi though. What is it? Something pyar? Something.
जट गब्बरू ता वैरी ना भी मिठा बोलदा तू ता फिर जट दा प्यार गोरी. And then the second one is it's called Bhabhi. Okay,
This is Punjabi also.
This is also Punjabi. It's by by Shri Brar. This is the song is by Shri Brar, and it is basically communicating the sentiment of a girl telling her Bhabhi that the guy you've selected for me. I mean, I'm hardly of marriageable age yet. The guy you select for me is such a goon,
But
and he's so awful that what enmity are you taking out on me?
oh,
This is how it
so
goes.
deep these songs are.
ਭਾਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਨਿਆਣੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੈਲੀ ਲੱਭਿਆ
So a boy is singing
ਮੰਗ
this.
ਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੈਲੀ ਜੱਟਣਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ ਵੈਰ ਨੀ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਉਹ ਭਾਬੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਕ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਖੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਦਾ ਵੈਲੀਆਂ ਪੁਰਾਣਾ ਗੂਗਲ ਤੇ ਖਬਰਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੜੀਆਂ
I'm identifying whatever.
ਸੈਂਟ ਜੱਟ ਉਹਦੇ ਥਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਕੱਟ ਦੱਸ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਜੰਗਾਂ ਨੇ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਭਾਬੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਨਿਆਣੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ
Very gaya.
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਤੂੰ
Where nikadya? You see the
As
beauty?
in wear your knicker.
Where nikadya means where is that enmity? Keda where kad rahi hai? You know.
It's a very genteel
It's-
language.
I
love
think-
it. It's like French, Bengali, and then
Mark my words, Rajshri Sen.
mark my words.
The 2020s onwards, basically 2015 to 2025, will be seen as a decade of the Punjabi Renaissance. Songs कहते हैं, song कहते हैं, जो भी कहते
जो
हैं.
भी
पंजाबी में से song कहते हैं.
Soft, the Punjabi soft, it will be only.
Renaissance.
Renaissance.
Okay. The quality of Punjabi music coming out is just, and the quality and quantity is mind blowing. Every other day I discover a new Punjabi song. My Punjabi playlist is a few hundred songs long, and it's
I'm
still
so
growing.
happy I haven't been in your car in a long time because that means this is all that would be playing in the car.
Straight away.
But will this Punjabi Renaissance also mean that Punjabis will learn how to say Renaissance? No, that's too much.
That's too
That's
much.
next millennium.
That's next decade. Us learning the pronunciation of Renaissance. Okay. So on that note, Rajshri Sen, you have any recommendation of any Bengali song or something?
Tumpa. I heard this song called Tumpa, which people have been saying like, oh, it's so bad, it's good, that kind of thing. Then I watched it. It's so bad, it's pathetic. So I judge everyone who has recommended this because it is as crass as it can. It makes these songs seem like classical music.
Okay. This is classical music. You can make all the fun you want, but history all
History will show.
History will judge.
Our grandchildren will say,
Say
this was
that
the golden
this was
era.
the golden age. Just like this year for the Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Kishore Kumar era for Bollywood. However, that's all we have this week on The Awful and Awesome.
Yes.
For the full unedited podcast, you have to listen to the audio version, preferably on newslaundry.com, or you can go through other news podcast apps like Stitcher or Spotify or Apple iTunes, etc. Or Apple Podcasts. A couple of announcements. There is a new NL Sena project up. We've started developing our app. It's going to cost maybe 15 or 20 lakh. And we want our app because a lot of our subscribers who pay us, because we at News Laundry are subscription driven, want an app so that they have an unhindered and uninterrupted experience of consuming News Laundry stuff. So do go on to newslaundry.com and you can just contribute, because we don't take any ads from anybody, which is why we can speak the way we do.
Unhindered and
unafraid of the commercial consequences of our utterances. देखा बच्चों अंग्रेजी sentence full गबरू ने मारे
correct pronunciation. How many times you practice in the morning just shows.
To
It's
show
fine.
कि आज full
practice and you will
full
be able to
sentence
do it.
लवे आए असी तां ते फिर so do check that out. And also we have awesome merch. We have a lovely candle. We have mugs. We have Naxal mugs. We have News Laundry merch, which also goes towards keeping journalism alive and well. And I just want to thank some mysterious admirer who has, today I got to office and I saw this Amazon dabba lying on my desk and I was like, I have not ordered anything from Amazon. And I opened it and it's come from Jodhpur, right?
Yeah.
And it is basically
check again.
roasted chanas. So someone has sent me roasted chanas. And I guess this is because I say, kararele chane, kararele. So thank you for that. Whoever has sent it, please mail me so I can thank you with a name, because I shall definitely consume these chanas. It's good for strength also, for a gabru.
Spot fodder also.
And I'm a middle-aged gabru, aging. So on that note, Rajshri Sen, we shall hopefully do some good watching
So
next
I'm
week.
telling you now what we'll review
Tell us.
next week. One is that we will review the first 2 episodes of Alan versus Pharaoh, which is on Hotstar. Then we will Thinking of You. I have included this now. Pelly's new documentary film is up on Netflix, which also comments on how, like Sachin, he's never taken a political stand.
Okay, we'll discuss that, but that is low priority. First, let's, on that list of Malayalam and Marathi films, we shall definitely watch 2 of those as well.
And we'll watch these 2. So 2 documentaries, 2 commercial cinema.
All right.
Like that. Now, if you don't watch any of these,
Then I'm in
then
shit.
people will know that you are not
No,
to be...
thukenge us pe, thukenge.
Then you will watch whatever I've put on the list, because I've always been putting things on the list and you haven't.
Which is usually smart.
So we'll be back next week. It's our 200th episode. Abhinandan and I have not killed each other.
For 200 episodes. Actually, first it was Deepanjan.
Yeah.
So do join us then. And for the full, uninterrupted, unedited podcasts, go to a podcast player. For video, you'll only get this much. Thank you, Miss Sen.
Thank you, Mr. Sekhri. Would you like to wrap it up?
And it's a wrap.